4 ways to drink green tea for weight loss. When you combine the diuretic and cleansing properties of green tea with other ingredients, you can achieve healthy weight loss while also fighting inflammation. Try it. Green tea is one of the most popular beverages in the world, not just because people drink green tea for weight loss, but because its rich nutrients and antioxidants provide plenty of other health benefits. It contains anti-inflammatory and detoxifying compounds that, when absorbed by your body, help protect your cells from the effects of free radicals. The high concentration of vitamins and minerals, in addition to the low-calorie content, enhance your metabolism and improve your body's ability to burn energy. In fact, thanks to its diuretic properties, green tea is an excellent treatment for fluid retention and tissue inflammation. It's been estimated that if you drink green tea on a regular basis, you can reduce fat buildup in the body by up to 19%. Another interesting aspect is that you can combine it with other ingredients if you don't care for the taste of plain tea or find it boring. Today we want to share 4 interesting recipes with you that will be helpful for weight loss and complement your regular diet. 1. Green tea and avocado smoothie. Blending green tea with avocado provides your body with a high concentration of antioxidants, protein, and essential fatty acids. In addition to increasing your energy levels, this also speeds up your metabolism. The properties of this beverage help control hunger pangs and improve your digestion. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of green tea, 10 grams. Half cup of water, 125 milliliters. Half of a ripe avocado. 1 ripe banana. Preparation: bring the water to a boil, add the tablespoon of green tea, and let it steep for half an hour. After that time, filter the liquid and process it in the blender with the avocado and banana. After you have produced a homogeneous beverage, serve immediately. Drink this before breakfast. 2. Green tea. Plain green tea is one of the most recommended ways to get the diuretic and cleansing benefits of this beverage. Its properties help your body burn more energy while controlling blood sugar levels and cholesterol. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of green tea, 10 grams. Half tablespoon of honey, 25 grams, optional. Preparation: heat the cup of water and when it begins to boil, add the green tea. Then let it steep for 15 minutes, strain off the liquid, and add a tablespoon of honey to sweeten the tea if desired. Drink this twice a day, at least 3 times a week. 3. Green tea with lemon and ginger. When you combine the properties of green tea with the nutrients and antioxidants of lemon and ginger, you get a beverage that cleanses the body and promotes fat loss. These ingredients are characterized by their cleansing, anti-inflammatory, and digestive properties that help fight obesity once they've been absorbed. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of green tea, 10 grams. The juice from half a lemon. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 5 grams. Preparation: heat the cup of water to boil and add the tablespoon of green tea and grated ginger. Next, reduce the heat to low for 2 to 3 minutes, then allow it to steep for 15 minutes. After that time, strain off the liquid and add the lemon juice. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning and wait at least 30 minutes before eating breakfast. 4. Green tea with mint. Green tea with mint is a very low-calorie beverage with a high content of antioxidant compounds. The anti-inflammatory, digestive, and cleansing effects support the processes that are responsible for fighting obesity and metabolic disorders. In addition, mint has soothing effects that decrease hunger pangs and stomach aches. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of green tea, 10 grams. 1 tablespoon of mint, 10 grams. 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams. Preparation: Heat the cup of water to a boil and add the green tea and mint. Reduce the heat to low for 5 minutes, then remove from heat and wait for it to steep. Once the temperature has cooled somewhat, strain off the liquid and sweeten it with a tablespoon of honey. Drink this every day on an empty stomach for at least 2 weeks.